So sod ana is ang kuan ato ang gi pang select diri si desk o si status, which is si description o si status. Pang retrieve niya atong mga data kung naaba didto. So that's it for the try and catch clause na to. Unya mapunay sud sa atong load task nga kuan method. So after ni load task nga method, we have the add task. So say add task, naghimo ta og string nga task desk ug task status. Status ang sud ani niya is kung unsay gi input nga text sa ato ang text field na si task field kani. Wait, atong iparan. Kung unsay gi-input dire sa task field, sa text field na to, is mo masud ingani nga component kani task desk ug status. So after that is ang kuan try and catch nga clause, which is same logic sa atong load task nga method na dire for getting the connection, get connection, and then the prepared statement for setting the string na atong gipangkuha dire sa kani. Wait. So let's continue. So again, we have here the prep statement, prepared statement for setting the string ni task desk ug si status. And also sa ato ang every kanang task na itong gimo dire is gisod na to si clear fields nga which is method pod. Ano si load task nga method pod. So that's it for our add task, for adding the task mo ni atong add task nga operation, add task nga method. So we have here the update task. So si update task is used for updating mo ni ang operation for updating. So same logic sa atong add task pero of course not the same code. So here is kani na specific code kani is mag-base na siya sa buhaton nato sa table. Just like this. Let's say for example kani kung mag-select ta. So this one is mo ni ang obligated kung unsa atong gi-select na kinahanglan nato i-update. Unsa atong gi-select dire sa table. Unsa atong gi-update. This one is obligated for that specific function. So here we have the string task desk and status para sudlan sa ato ang task field na giget na text. Kung unsay gi-input dito na text is masud diri sa task desk. Again, as I said, same ni siya og logic sa updating pero naay kalahian ra gamay. And then after that is we have a verification dire nga part to verify kung naabay sud ang ato ang task desk. Kung walay sud si task desk, therefore mo show ni siya nga G option pane. Task description cannot be empty. Let's go and have a look kung mo kuan ba siya. Let's say update. As you can see, we need to select a task first. So katong task description cannot be empty is for adding man to na task description cannot be empty. So sud sa ato ang update task nga method is ang query for the SQL, which is for updating the records. The try and catch clause for getting the connection, and the prepared statement for setting the string. So this one si 1 ug 2 is mo ni siya ang index sa ato ang description og status. Mo ni ang index niya sa description og status sa table nga user. So si 1 mo na si description. So si 2 mo na si status. Therefore, after ma-execute or ma-update is mo show ni nga option pane, which is si task updated na string. And then we need to clear the fields and load the task. So after that, we have the delete task nga method used for deleting the data. So this one again, same logic atong naas babaw na atong gi-explain for ng lapas. Basta kay diri na siya dapita. Wait. If we tend to select a specific data diri sa table, mo ni siya. Kung ato ba nang i-update or i-delete, either way, mo ni siya ang responsible for that data, for that function, for that operation. So here we have the option pane for kung i-delete ba nimo ang specific data, mo ni siya ang mo show. And then if ato anang i-confirm, therefore mo take action ni siya diri dapita, which is for the database aron ma-delete ang data dito sa database is mo nitong query, SQL query, which is delete from user question mark, kay syempre kita may mag buot kung unsa nga data ang atong i-delete diri. So magbase ni siya kaning question mark sa katong atong gi-select nga option diri. Kana. So basically we have the try and catch connection, clause rather. We have the try and catch clause for getting the connection, and the prepared statement, same as the other methods, same logic ra sila na execute update. And then after executing, we have the G option pane and clearing the fields, then loading the task. So that's it for the delete task method. So sa ato ang clear fields is this one is responsible for clearing the fields. So I'm not referring only for one fields, which is text field, but I'm also referring sa combo box, which is kung ato anang i-clear fields, pasabot ana kung tahay na ay kane na ay sod ang atong text field dire o napud tay gi-select dire sa ato ang task table kane, is kung bislito na to ang kuan clear is ma-clear na silang duha na ma-clear, di ba? And also this one is for the kuan combo box, naman sila index, si pending index 1 and then si completed is index 2. So we have here a populate fields. This is also a method for populating the fields. So for this one is nakabase ni siya kung unsay gipang buhat nato diri sa tong table dire. So I honestly researched about this one, kay this is quite complicated. So this is to enable the operations na ato ang pagabuhaton dire. Kani mo ni siya ang responsible for that. And then after that, we have the main method, ang atong main class, main method. So sa main method, dirita nag class dot for name, which is sa ato ang mga previous nga topic ma'am is naamon to diri dapita, pero for this one is na ako sa main method na class.forName. And then this one na makuha sa properties, try and catch clause. And then we have here the class na to-do list app for setting it visible aron makita tong frame into visible. So again, let us proceed kung unsay mga operations niya. So minimalist to-do list for adding tasks. Let's say for example mag-read ka diha, mo-add ka, that's it. Read or write, and then add. So here in order to demonstrate the CRUD operation, we have the update. Let's say for example i-update na to si write into pending. So task updated. So as we can see, we have write pending na yahang status. So we can also delete any datas that we selected na pang-delete na nato na. So let's try to look the database kung unsay atong gibuhat diri is na-delete pud ba or na-update pud ba sa ato ang database. So here we have the to-do app na database ang atong gigamit, which is user table nga ato ang ngan sa table. So as you can see, we have here the 11 na ID, which is a code completed, duha na sila kabuok. As you can see, we have the same output kung unsay naa diri, maopoy naa diri. Let's delete this one kung mo delete ba po ni siya diri na sa database. So as you can see, wala na siya diri pero naa pa siya diri. Pero para ma-update na is of course ato ra nang i-refresh. So here, as you can see, usa na lang kabuok, which is si ID number 15. So if mag-add pud ta, na po na siya diri. Ma-add po na siya diri. Task added. We just need to refresh this, and then there we go, task added. So that's it for the minimalist to-do list. This is my simple project for object-oriented programming, which demonstrate the CRUD operation for creating, reading, and updating and deleting. Thank you.